Welcome to Greenhouse again. So today's story, the tale is about stimulating plants. Plants which in general contain some kind of caffeine related stuff or caffeine itself. Well, there are many interesting things about them. So this is a tea or tea in Chinese, a plant which many people use as a source of caffeine. And in order to have it, they make a tea, right? So how to make a tea? It's very easy. You should take out the topmost leaf and then just try to crush it. And then there might be multiple different ways. For example, you might want to ferment it. Then you have a black tea. Or you can crush the leaf and dry it almost immediately. Then you have a green tea. Or you can actually ferment it for the much longer time in the ground and make a so-called pu'ers. Some very deeply fermented tea. Some pu'ers will ripe for many years in soil. So depending on the plant is the same, but production of tea is slightly different. Second thing was also presented to you. It's a cola plant. In cola, mostly seeds are used as a source of caffeine. And two others, I didn't show them yet. So this one is a yerba mate. Yerba mate. So yerba mate is a plant of Paraguay and southern parts of South America, and they use it as a drink, which is similar to tea or to coffee, if you like to say that. And it's also a very energetic drink. Finally, there is a coffee. Coffee itself, the big tree here is a coffee plant. So this is African and was discovered by Arabians and then started to widespread all over the world, again as a source of drink which contains caffeine. So lots of ways to obtain caffeine, but we still don't know two things. First, why these plants make a caffeine? And second, related, why so many species of same genera have no caffeine? For example, this yerba mate belongs to genus Ilex or holly, so which use it for as a Christmas decoration. Most of hollies don't have caffeine. This one has. Some other species, one of species like guayusa from Amazon also has caffeine. So this belongs to genus Camellia. Camellia are famous winter flowering plants. Most of them don't have caffeine. This species, Camellia sinensis, has. Finally, coffee itself belongs to big genus Coffea, and that genus has multiple species, and only kind of about 1/3 of them have caffeine. So, well, some people say that caffeine helps insects to remember flowers which they pollinate. So caffeine producing plants are mostly insect pollinated. That's correct. So maybe this is a reason. Another interesting thing which I tried to have, which parts of plant are more rich of caffeine. So traditionally, cola was used as a seed, right? But are there caffeine in leaves? Actually, yes, you can make a tea of cola leaves and you will feel like how you are refreshing. So many people say that in actual tea shrub, most of caffeine is in the bark, but bark is not safe for the plant to take out. So once upon a time I made an experiment, because actually tea shrub has flowers and it will produce seeds. Typically several big brown seeds per fruit, and you can make coffee from tea. I mean, you fry seeds, then you will grind them and make a coffee-like drink. And as a reverse, I tried to make a tea out of coffee. So what did I take out the leaf, crush it, ferment it, and then make a tea out of coffee. Well, results are interesting. So coffee from tea is extremely strong, very strong. So it probably contains plenty of caffeine, whereas the tea from coffee, at least how I feel it, is not really strong. It's probably have very little amount of caffeine itself. That's it. Thank you.